Minister in charge of Par AT Mandal has expressed concern over the decrease in the water level of the Umyam Lake. With the state receiving very less rainfall this year, the minister said that the government is working holistically by coming up with some short-term remedies to cope up with the present scenario, and at the same time, some long-term measures will also be taken so that in the future, we are not subjected to such a crisis. The Power Minister said the state government is yet to permit the IIT Guwahati to conduct a proper study on the safety of the Umyam Bridge. Mandal also said the bearings in the Umyam Dam are not in good condition and orders have been issued to a company for manufacturing new ones. He also said that the Umyam Bridge would be closed for heavy vehicles when the retrofitting takes place.
5 feet. Another 5 feet down means problem. I don't know, this week I have not taken that what is the water level and all these things. All things are doing and working holistically to see that this crisis is over. We are working on it. We don't want that it should not be much more what is there.